It's rolling.
So, sometimes you got this rust here, right? And you can see it's getting pretty bad. Well, a cheap way to fix that, you go out and buy yourself a couple $1 pack of screws. You go and find yourself a local fucking spray painted license plate. You grab your old gun here. Just grab the screw and you just modify it a little bit. You get her nice and solidly mounted up in there, and yeah, we fix it all up. Make it nice, make it mint. No issues. No vehicle inspection notices. No silliness. Just good old-fashioned mintiness. All American. And yeah, you just keep going until you're about good. No issues there. I have no idea whose license plate this is, so that's gonna be a good time, but you know, send it. Look at how solid that is. Like a rock, like a Chevy. Just a good time. Pathfinder's driving by. He knows what's up. Now, you might want to get your body work tool. I don't know what a body work tool is. Oh, there it is. It's mid body work. Hard when the tire's in the way, but make do. Just like that. Nice and mint. Problem solved. We're all good. All good in the hood. I'd say that's about good. Properly mint.